Hi Nikita, how are you?
Hi Pranshi, I'm good.
So how is this online MBA spanning out for you?
Quite interesting. Initially, I was finding it very difficult to interact with people, but now I'm used to it, and it it has its own pros and cons. But yes, it's now I'm used to it.
That's amazing. And can you tell me a little bit about your background?
Yes, so I'm a BCom honors graduate. I did my graduation from Daulat Ram College, and I was the placement coordinator for 2 years. Post my graduation, I joined EY as insurance analyst. My role was to perform audit procedures for various Indian clients.
That's great. So should we get on and start with the case?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so our client is a manufacturer of urea and they've recently seen a decline in their revenues. Can you identify the potential reasons and also recommend a solution for the same?
Okay, so just to reiterate, our client is a manufacturer of urea and they are facing a decline in revenue. I need to analyze the reason and recommend some solutions for the same.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, just give me some time to structure my thoughts, can I?
Sure, take your time.
Thank you. So I need to understand, does the client operates in a specific country or in a specific region?
Okay, so the client is currently located in India and primarily for in the four North Indian states. And also, just to add, it's a leading player in the market.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell me more about its product portfolio? Since it's urea, so I believe that is used for used in fertilizers. Is there any other use?
That's correct. So, manufacturing urea for the use in fertilizers is the client's only business.
Okay. And is the product homogeneous? Since it's an urea, I believe that every competitor or even our industry is producing the same type of product. Is there any product differentiation?
No. There's hardly any scope for product differentiation, and even in terms of price, it's more or less the same.
Okay. I need to understand one more thing. So, is it a client specific problem or an industry wide problem?
It's a client specific problem.
Okay. Can I take a minute to structure my thoughts?
Sure, Nikita.
A few minutes later.
Since it's a revenue side problem, I believe that so revenue comprises both prices and quantity. So, reflecting on the prices, has there any significant change in the price structure for the client?
No, the price structure has not changed, I'll say, and it's been the same throughout.
Okay. Okay, so I think there's a problem regarding the quantity of the product. So I need to delve more into it. So before that, is it a demand side problem or a supply side problem? By this, I mean that from the demand side, the problem from the customer side, or maybe there's some problem in supplying those units to the customer.
What exactly do you mean by a customer side problem? Can you expand on that a little bit?
Okay, so on the customer side, maybe the client is facing a fall in the number of customers in terms of frequency or in terms of the number or in terms of the purchase that they have been making for the client.
Okay, okay. And
So is that the case?
all right, got it. And from the supply perspective, what are the different hypotheses do you have in mind?
Okay, so for supply side issue, maybe the client is not able to uh, meet the demand that is generated in the market for its product. That is the one thing. And second, maybe there's some issue with the distribution or channels.
Okay.
So if you have any idea that it's a demand side problem or supply side problem, so that I can delve more into it.
Well, you can say that, there has been a demand side problem. But then it would be great if you can kind of also figure out what exactly could be the reasons, possible reasons for this decline in demand.
Okay.
And if you have any hypothesis in mind, that would be great.
Okay, just give me some seconds to structure and then I can list down some reasons.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, so I have jotted down 4 points
Okay.
which can actually illustrates the demand side problem. First would be that there's a new player in the market. Second would be that is there any some new product feature which is attracting those customers to the client.
Okay.
Third can be the quality issues. Maybe the quality of the other material is much better than the client's product. And then last would be that the competitor strategies in terms of the customer attraction or maybe the customer loyalty. So that could be also the case.
Well, that's rightly pointed out, and I'd like to tell you that competitors' action is the driving cause here. So, can you think about what exactly could our competitor be doing because of which this entire problem is happening?
Okay. Okay. So, since you have already mentioned that the price is more or less same, so that could be not the reason. Second would be the quality issue. Maybe the quality of the product that is supplied by the competitors is far better than our client. Second would be the marketing strategies opted by the competitors to attract those customers, maybe in terms of any discounts or maybe any competitions or any other thing, maybe rebranding their product. And the fourth would be any distribution advantages that the competitors have, which our clients do not possess.
Got it. The key things which our competitors have done is that they've colluded and they've launched a new promotional campaign. It's called the Krishi Mela, and it has gained a lot of popularity. And the client has been noticing this decline since then, since this launch of campaign.
Okay. So do you want me to analyze further that what can be the main reason?
Yeah, so I mean, can you think about what exactly could be happening because of this collusion and this Krishi Mela that our revenues have been impacted?
Okay. Okay, I just need some more time
All right.
to analyze it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So since it's a Krishi Mela, I don't think that there's a possibility of brand ambassador or something or any other creative advertisements for the product, but uh, and it is for fertilizers. So I believe maybe some heavy discounts or maybe free samplings that could be the reason which actually focused the client's customer towards the competitors.
That's correct. So the competitor has been giving out products for free at the Mela, and because of which their recall value has improved. However, our revenues have dropped. Can you give some recommendations for our client and what the client can do further on this to improve the revenues?
Okay. Since our competitors are doing free sampling or heavy discounts. So first recommendation would be that our client should go for free samples or maybe heavy discounts to attract the customers. Also, we can collude, we can integrate or collude with different parties, maybe in terms of distribution channels or maybe in terms of raw material, so that either we can improve our quality of the product or maybe any distribution channel. So it is necessary to analyze the value chain and then maybe go for it. Third recommendation would be that since you have mentioned earlier that the client is located in the 4 North Indian states, it would be great if they explore new geographies, and maybe rebranding can also help the client to attract more customers and to retain their existing customers.
I think those were really good recommendations. So I think, can you just summarize the case and we can close the case after that?
Yes, sure. So we started our case with the statement that the client is a manufacturer of urea and they are facing a decline in revenue. After analyzing the whole case, we understood that's a demand side problem in the terms of the quantity, and the competitors are employing and deploying different marketing strategies in terms of Krishi Mela and heavy discounts along with free sampling, which is reducing the client's customer number and increasing their recall value. So some recommendations for the same would be the free sampling, the same marketing strategies that the competitors are using, and maybe rebranding the product. Also, the client can go for new markets and new geographies, and they can distribute free samples. So that's the whole case.
Thanks a lot, Nikita. Have a nice day.
Thank you.